Hola, ducklings, and welcome to the premiere of Tashi's Treats. I'm Tubed and Tashi, and we're going to start out by doing a series which I'm calling Eat for $30 a Week. Now, as humans, we have three basic needs. We have to have food, shelter, and clothing. Well, some of us like clothing. And though it seems we spend an awful lot of time pursuing the housing and the clothing, and we forget about the importance of actually enjoying the process of procuring, preparing, and eating our food. In the series, Eat for $30 a Week, I will be providing you with a meal plan, a shopping list, and throughout the next weeks and maybe even months, 42 wonderful recipes, all of them different and unique and created to fulfill this shopping and planning meal plan. I don't believe that only wealthy people should eat well. I think we poor folks need to eat good too. So whether you're on an EBT budget or you have a lot of money to spend on food, taking the time to think about what you're going to eat, plan your meals, do your shopping in an organized manner, and then providing those meals to your family is going to make you feel really good about yourself, and it's going to give you an opportunity to eat consciously, to eat compassionately, because you're going to be thinking and using your wisdom as a human to be able to prepare and to indulge in wonderful meals. I certainly hope that you'll enjoy this series that I have planned. I hope that you're able to enjoy the recipes. I hope that you're able to feel blessed when you do your shopping. That's very important. Think of all the thousands of hands that provided you with your meal, from pickers to boxers to the people trucking it to your store. A lot of people had to give up a lot of time for you to be able to eat. And I think if we take time to recognize that in our daily cooking, we'll have a lot more pleasure from our daily eating. So let's go ahead and kick this channel off. I hope you guys enjoy the time that we spend together and come back safely to me. I'll be providing access to the shopping list and the meal plan in the description box below. Don't forget, you need to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that notification box so you don't miss the next recipe.